Alright, still not there. Let me put her back in. This is kind of fun, folks. I don't know about you, but I'm liking this. Lock it down. Alright, let's do another. I'll go into it and then I'll see if it's taken off anything just to see how it's setting or sitting in the centers, and then I'll advance it. Alright, let me see here. Alright, it's not taking anything, which is good. Let me go over the ink. Come in 10th. I'm gonna go another 10th. Alright, there's 2 tenths. I'm gonna take another 10th. Something's not, it's just not cutting enough. Is there stick slip on my infeed ways of the wheel head? Probably a little. I mean, it's an Acme screw, but I got 10 graduations on the dial. It's not taking that ink off. I'm gonna go another 10. It's amazing I can take a 10th on a grinder. It blows my mind how potentially precision this is. I guess I could say precision and potentially accurate. Now I'm grinding on dead centers. The dog is rotating and the shaft is rotating, but this actual center is stationary on the headstock and on the tailstock, which gives you the truest rotation. And I dialed this shaft within not even a 10th full size, man. This thing's running like new money. Dare I measure it and scare myself? I was measuring 875 and 5/10 with the bore telescoping. 874 6 and a half. 874. Eight, 7, 4, 6 and a half, and down here, which you can't see, 8744, 8743, 8747. So we're a little heavy here. Well, let me take it out again and see. Bring it back.